What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Just tagging everybody. Give me a minute to get all these tags in. Got this bad boy filled just in time. We can go live right now. Early break tonight. Got a sitter for my oldest daughter, so we can knock this out. Gonna do big things in here. I am pumped as heck for that Dynasty box. I know it's only got one card in there, but God, the potential, man. The potential. Almost done. Couple people it wouldn't let me tag. Got 14 in here. Brad, I see you're in here. Good, because it wouldn't let me tag you. I don't know where my mouse went to. Probably downstairs. Oh well. There we go. Oh, find the video. Here it is. See if I can. Let's see. I need to tag. Who was it? James Walker. There he is. Brad, what's going on, buddy? Who else did I need to tag? I needed to tag Brad, but we got him in. Who was the other one? Maybe that was it. Nope, David, I think. David Rathburn. And there he is. Alright, guys. Give me like 2 minutes. I'll be right back and we'll get this thing going. Just give me 2 minutes. All right. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm ready. All right, guys. 1 Topps Dynasty. 2 Topps Museum Collections. 2 Tier 1s. 2 Triple Threads. 3 Bowman High Techs. Let's get her going. Out of breath now running up and down them stairs. All right, so here's the recap. Josh Roseman, Arizona and Miami. Michael Rubin, Atlanta and San Diego. John D, Baltimore, Houston, Kansas City, and Texas. Matt Fleming, Boston. Steve Englert, White Sox and Cardinals. Jeremy Thompson, Chicago Cubs. Pitt in Seattle. April Marie Charlo, Cincy and Tampa Bay. Ricky Schultz, Cleveland. Brad Nall, Colorado, San Francisco, and no team. Jason Veal, Detroit. Aaron Pickle, LA Angels. Chris Stoneham, Dodgers. Chris Van Kuren, Milwaukee. Jeff Nichols, Minnesota and Washington. Craig Smith, Mets. James Walker, Yankees. Kent Rundles, Oakland. David Rathburn, Philly. And Darren Smith, Toronto. Brad, I know you bought the no team, man, but honestly, I really hope the no team does not hit. I really don't want a no team out of that dynasty. We're going to start with 18 Bowman High Tech. I might bounce around, but we're going to go ahead and open at least one of these high tech boxes to start with, guys. All right, 18 high tech, huge potential. I know this isn't like the biggest, hottest product in the world, but you got shots at Acuna. You get 4 autos in there. Acuna, Robert, lots of big possibilities in these boxes. And we are going to get started. All right. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Francisco Mejia. Brent Rooker. Robles rookie. There's a nice Ronnie Mauricio. 69 of 99. Ronnie Mauricio. Made to look like, one of the Bowmans. Oh, right. Good start here. Here we go. Ronnie Mauricio. There's a scratch on this thing from where I just opened it, but that's not on the card. Ronnie Mauricio to 99. Craig Smith. And our first auto is Luis Robert. Bang, bang, Moneyball gang. First hit of the night. Luis Robert. For Steve Englert. Yeah, Brad, I agree. $10 chance, man, at a no team. Yep, really good chance. Luis Robert. All right, Kyber Ruiz. Kyber Ruiz. For the Dodgers, going to Chris Stoneham. Chris Stoneham. All right, for April Marie Charlo, we got a Shed Long. Shed Long for April. And for Jason Veal, Alex Fado. Alex Fado. All right, here's a nice one right here for April. Hunter Green to 50 for April. Hunter Green to 50. Not sure if you can see that because the card's gold. That's 13 of 50 on the Hunter Green. Very nice. That was a nice box. And we're going to end it with a Mackenzie Gore. That was a really good first box. Again, I know this is not like top high end or nothing like that, but it's a cheaper product. Get some nice hits in there, and we just showed it. Hunter Green to 50 and a Robert auto. That Robert auto is huge start. All right, box 2. Jorge Mateo. Looks like we have a redemption. Christian Pache, I think. Daniel Johnson. Brendan McKay. Our first, yes, we do have a redemption. So let's move that to the back. So our color is Jordan Hicks to 25. Jordan Hicks to 25 for Steve Englert. 5 of 25. Again, it's kind of hard to see it, but it's 5 of 25. Got a Brendan McKay. And our first auto is Austin Beck. Austin Beck. Oakland is Kent Rundles. Austin Beck. Let me see here. Auto on the back. Jaron Kendall Save the redemption for last. Jaron Kendall for Chris Stoneham again with the Dodgers. And we got Jorge Guzman for Miami. That's going to Josh Roseman. There you go, Josh. Jorge Guzman. All right, and our redemption. Congratulations. A high-tech auto of Joe frickin' Adele. I forgot Joe Adele was redemptions. I remember buying some of these. Joe Adele for Aaron Pickle. Aaron Pickle. There you go. 2 big hits. 2 boxes. I like high tech, man. I like it a lot. Again, I know it's not super high end, but you got big hit. I mean, again, it's not like a $500 card or nothing, but still, you just got a Joe Adele auto. That is awesome. And a Luis Robert and 2 boxes of this stuff. All right, let's finish off the high tech. I was thinking we might do 1 or 2 and then save 1 for later, but man, am I pumped. I love it. I like this stuff. Alright, so let's move these 2 colors to the front. Alright. To 191, we have a purple Jeter Downs for April. April's stocking up. Purple Jeter Downs to 191. We have a Brendan Rodgers. We have a Rafael Devers rookie for Matt. We got another Shed Long. Corbin Burns. Jorge Guzman. And our first auto, Shed Long again. That's our second Shed Long auto, I believe. Did we already hit a Shed Long? Yes, we did. Shed Long. That's 2 for April. And we hit an Alex Fado earlier, too. 2 Alex Fados for Jason. And we hit this one earlier, too. Austin Beck. That's 2 Austin Becks. That's crazy. Three duplicates and 3 boxes. Austin Beck for Kent. We did not hit this guy. Ibendale Isabel. Purple Ibendale Isabel for Chris Stoneham to 150. So we hit 2 Becks, 2 Shed Longs, and 2 Alex Fados. Crazy. And a purple Isabel for the Dodgers. Dodgers did good getting a lot of stuff in there too. Alright. I would say that was a successful boxes of high tech. Alright, we're going to go to Tier 1. Tier 1. 3 cards per box. 2 autos. 1 relic. Alright, first off, we have a Tim Anderson to 299. Tim Anderson to 299. Open any of these. Tim Anderson is going to Steve Englert. Steve Englert to 299. Alright, our relic is Chris Bryant. Chris Bryant to 375. That's not bad at all. Chris Bryant. This is going to Jeremy Thompson with the KB relic. And our last auto is Justin Upton, autographed relic for the Angels. Going to Aaron Pickles, his second hit of the break, and that is numbered at a 50. Justin Upton to 50. Congratulations, Aaron. I don't know where Aaron is, though. Not sure where the pickle is. Alright, box 2 of Tier 1. Upton is a very nice hit. Okay. Let's start off with, oh my God, Blake Snell, 1 of 1. April is gonna love the heck out of that. 1 of 1, Blake Snell. What a hit. Tampa Bay, April, 1 of 1. What a hit, April. Congratulations. I know you're going to like that one. Joey Gallo is our relic to 375. Joey Gallo to 375. Man, I hope April's watching. And our last hit of Tier 1, Franmil Reyes. For San Diego, going to Michael Rubin. Michael Rubin with the Franmil to 250. What's going on, Jeff? How you feeling, buddy? All right, guys, museum time. Four hits per box. Bang, bang, Moneyball gang. That's right. You know it, Brad. Off to a good start so far, Jeff. Yes. Josh. No Arizona. We hit a Jorge Guzman for Miami. Jorge Guzman for Miami. Alright, museum time. Good luck. Every mini box has a hit. Alright, we're going to start out with a Corey Seager to 99. Purple Corey Seager to 99. The Dodgers, Chris Stoneham. Dodgers are getting nice stuff. Our relic, Andrew McCutchen to 50. Andrew McCutchen to 50. McCutchen to 50 for Brad Nall. Congrats, Brad. And our base is Andujar, Ricky Henderson, and Barry Larkin. So you get one autograph relic, one quad relic, and one prime, and one prime relic. So that must be our prime relic because it was low numbered. All right. I have an Ohtani canvas collection. We have Rhys Hoskins base, David Ortiz, a Kershaw. How about a Kershaw blue? Again, Dodgers, Chris Stoneham, Kershaw to 150. Kershaw to 150 for Chris Stoneham. And our hit, it looks like a thick one, quad relic maybe. Alex Bregman to 99. 22 of 99 quad relic. That's going to John DeVoe. Bregman quad relic. Congrats, John. So that means these last two mini boxes excuse me, are our autos. Okay, our base, Noah Syndergaard. There's a Tatis base. Not going to complain about that. Tatis base. Correa. How about an Acuna? Like a bronze, non-numbered Acuna. Going to Michael Rubin. And our auto is /99 of Freddie Freeman. Freddie Freeman /99. That's a nice one right there. Going right back to Michael Rubin. Freddie Freeman /99. Good auto right there. So this means this should be our auto relic. Base, Chipper, Kyle Tucker, and Machado. Whoops. Sliding up a little too much there. And our bronze is Kershaw. And our hit is Eddie Rosario. Auto relic. Dual relic auto. Eddie Rosario for Minnesota. That was the last team taken by Mr. Jeff Nichols. That is /199. /199. Eddie Rosario. Congratulations, Jeff Nichols. All right, now we're going to get into the other box. Museum collection. Museum collection is really nice. And I've used it in a few mixers, and I've had a lot of luck with it. Ready for some new stuff to come out, though. The next new release we got is Museum Collection, which I know is not everyone's favorite. I personally, I like Museum Collection. I think it's a good break. Lots of good hits, especially with Jordan being in it this year, and good rookies to be had in it. It's gonna be a good break. All right, we got a Juan Soto canvas collection. Soto. Got a Mike Trout base. Our other base is Votto. And we got a red. I believe that is red. Nolan Arenado /50 for Brad Nall. Nolan Arenado /50. For Brad Nall. Okay, and our hit is another Tatis. I hit a Tatis in the last break I had Museum Collection in. Heck yes. Fernando Tatis for Michael Rubin. Michael's cleaning up in the Museum Collection breaks. The Freeman in the first box and the Tatis in the second box. Let me see. Trying to make sure we get this one on cam. Tatis /299. Michael Rubin. Good hit there. Yeah, we need a big Boston card and a Toronto. We ain't got nothing for Toronto yet either. Boston didn't do well last time either, Matt. Benny Jackson, Chris Davis. We got a Piazza. Bronze Piazza. And, whoa, Adam Wainwright. 20 of 25 with the sickness patch right there. Going to Steve Englert. Adam Wainwright, look at that patch. That is some nice patch work, as Josh Hoshauer likes to call it, the Patch Pirates. Who is messaging me? Daniel. Yes, we are live. All right, box 3. Jeff, it's fun, man. It is so much fun. Once this one's over, I'm doing a basketball one too. One box of first off the line. Gonna be nice. Dion, Sal Perez, Jose Ramirez, Ozzie Smith bronze, and whoa, Kenta Maeda /15. Chris Stoneham is crushing it. I don't know what that is. That does not look like. Let's see. It looks more like a sock. It's got to be a sock. Kenta Maeda, 12 of 15. Boom. That is nice. Chris Stoneham. I think that needs a stand. When he won the Dodgers in a mini, too. A mini. Whoa. Alright, so that means this box will hold a quad relic. Yeah, that looks more like a sock. It's gotta be a sock. Alright, we got base. Ichiro. Aaron Judge. Mark McGwire. We got a Josh Donaldson, bronze. And there's one for Boston. Chris Sale, quad relic, 3 of 75. Probably not exactly what you wanted, Matt, but we're starting, buddy. We are starting. 53 of 75, quad relic, Chris Sale. It's a start, guys. Start for you, buddy. And we got the big stuff coming. Big stuff coming. So we start off slow for you, and we're going to get that big stuff right now. Triple Threads and Dynasty. Triple Threads better get its act together, because I don't know if you guys saw the Triple Threads mixer, but I would love to forget it. Alright. 2 mini boxes. Let me check. Alright. Here we go. Good luck. Some nice hits. We already got 6 showcase cards. Let's see what else we can bring to the show. Triple Threads has been good in the past. It has also not been good. I don't know what that is. Printing plate, maybe. Yep, printing plate, boys and girls. Printing plate. Alright, let's start off with Jose Ramirez, 259 for the Indians. Our base, Vlad Guerrero, Mike Trout, and Jose Berrios. Alright, our first hit is Kevin Kramer for Pittsburgh to 50. 50 of 50. Kevin Kramer, who got Pitt? That was a mini win by Jeremy Thompson. Kevin Kramer, 50 of 50. Okay. Our relic is Luis Castillo to 9. That is for April. April's doing very well in this break. I don't know where she's at, but she is crushing it. Luis Castillo to 9. Alright, guys. Printing plate is Tony Gwynn. Tony Gwynn printing plate. Tony Gwynn printing plate. Michael Rubin. Looking for where it might say printing plate or 1 of 1, but I don't see nothing. But that is most definitely a printing plate. I feel like I ran into this problem once before. That is definitely a nice hit right there. Printing plate for Michael Rubin. 1 of 1. San Diego. Doing well. Michael's doing well all around. San Diego and Atlanta got him oh snap. Oh snap! We got bookwork. We got a book. Holy crap, we got a book. Do we have a book? Oh my god. We hit a book before in one of these. Ivan Rodriguez to 199. Ty joining in at the right time, buddy. What's going on? George Springer to 299. We have book. Base, Ohtani, Jackie Robinson, and Nolan Arenado. Here we go. Let's check out the back one first. Benintendi, purple auto to 75. So that means the book probably doesn't have an auto, but that means it could have a sick patch. There you go, Matt. 41 of 75. Andrew Benintendi. I would usually put that in the back on the stands, but we got 7 back there already. All right, book time. Jose Altuve to 10. John DeVoe. John DeVoe with the book. 4 of 10. Look at those nice patches. Jose, can you see? Jose Altuve, 3 of 10 for John DeVoe. I have to get one of my cases out for that. Give me a second to dig one out. What box is it in? Here we go. Awesome, John. They're going to look great together. We're going to put that bad boy right in here. Put a penny sleeve on top of it. And close up shop. That one deserves a stand as well. Woo! God, I can't wait to see what's in Dynasty. We are crushing it tonight. Oh, Robert down. It's too many cards back here on stands. Got a couple more hits that should be on stands too. Matt, I hope you like that Benintendi. I hope that's a decent hit for you, brother. Alright, here we go. Triple Threads. Man, so Triple Threads box had a printing plate in one and a book in the other. The plate is Tony Gwynn. Tony Gwynn. All right, we're going to start off with Ozzie to 199 for the Cardinals. Johnny Bench, green to 259. Helton, Rosario, and John Smoltz. All right, first hit. Scott Kingery to 50. Scott Kingery, triple relic auto for Philly. Going to David Rathburn to 50 with the Kingery. And the relic is Jermaine Marquez. Jermaine Marquez to 27. 0-1 of 27. eBay 1 of 1 for Brad Nall. Ah! Look at that junk, stupid boxes. Good thing we're all nice and top loaded. Nothing. No harm. No cards were damaged in the making of this video. Alright. The redemption is Joe Adell. Joseph Adell from High Tech. Been a good break, guys. Very good break. A lot of love to go around. Alright, we got another Ozzie color. This one's to 75. Got a Pujols to 199. Let's do it, Matt. Let's do it. Cody B, Mancini, and Ricky Henderson are our base. Alright, first hit. Matt Olson, bunt hit revival to 27 for Oakland, going to Kent Rundles. 17 of 27, bunt hit revival. So our auto is, there you go, Chris Sale. There's your one more hit. Chris Sale, auto relic, 20 of 50. Chris Sale to 50. Told you, excuse me. I told you, saving the good stuff for last for you. Triple Threads was good to you, man. Alright, guys. Cannot wait any longer. Topps Dynasty. Last box. One hit. Numbered. Will be numbered to 10 or less. Oh, it's encased right there. I thought it was going to be in a box or something. Here we go. Sideways, so maybe. Rhys Hoskins, 6 of 10 for David Rathburn. Look at the patchwork. Auto, Reese Hoskins. 6 of 10 for David Rathburn. This, man, I love this stuff. This Topps Dynasty is nice. The box is really sturdy. I'm out of stands over here, but this needs a stand. Reese Hoskins to 10. Alright, guys, we're going to start the recap. Nolan Arenado to 50. Acuna, bronze. Kershaw to 150. Seager to 99. Jeter Downs to 191. Hicks to 25. Green to 50. Mauricio to 99. Hold on, let me get the other ones. Other parallels. Pujols to 199. Smith to 75. Bench to 259. Smith to 199. Springer to 299. Pudge to 199. Trout, that's a base. Ramirez to 259. Bronze, Donaldson. Ozzie Smith. Mike Piazza, that's a base Trout. Museum collection, Soto, and a museum collection, Ohtani, and a Kershaw bronze. Alright, our relics. Olsen to 27. Marquez to 27. Castillo to 9. Sale to 75. Bregman to 99. Kutch to 50. Gallo to 375. And KB to 375. Autos. Sale to 50. Kingery to 50. Benny to 75. Kramer to 50. Eddie Rosario to 199. Freddie Freeman to 99. Franmil Reyes to 250. Justin Upton to 50. Tim Anderson to 299. Isabel to 150. Austin Beck. Fado. Shed Long. Jorge Guzman. Jaron Kendall. Austin Beck. Alex Fado. Shed Long. And Kyber Ruiz. And countdown, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cards back there. Jesus. Alright, we're going to go number 9. Adam Wainwright to 25. Number 8. Kenta Maeda to 15. Number 7. Tony Gwynn. Printing plate, 1 of 1. Number 6. Joe Adele. Auto base. Number 5. We're going to go with the 1 of 1. Blake Snell. Excuse me. Number 4. Going to go with the Altuve book, which I will show one more time. Altuve book to 10 is at 4th place. Okay. Number 3, we'll go with the Robert. Number 2, Reese Hoskins to 10. And the best hit of the night, this is biased, but Tatis to 299. I'm biased. I love Tatis. So, all right, guys. Great break. Very nice stuff. Appreciate it. Have a good weekend. We're going to be back. I'm going to be back for more. Probably going to do a Bowman Best Mixer with 2015, 16, 17, 18, and 19 next.